So Tx12100 again, if we was making the system, so it's trap pressure system, well not trap pressure, but we're using the flow sensitive unloader. What we do is we turn it to the head, which I spoke about before, like this. So what would simply happen is when you let go of the trigger, the water would dump from here back into the bottom chamber here. So the water itself is trapped then, so you can just work off mains water if you wanted to with the flow sensitive unloader system, which saves the machine. It also, sometimes you'll find with the Tx12100 it'll pop a fuse. This will also stop that from happening. You won't have the same problem with that as what you would do normally when you sometimes with the trap pressure unloader not knowing what it's doing. So it also stops them fuses from popping. Another little problem that happens with the Tx12100 machine. So this is part 3. There's part 1 to this video, there's part 2, and this is the part 3 showing you how to set it up as return back to head. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.